Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we create a break line symbol in AutoCAD. For example, we have here a sectional view of foundation and a wall, and we want to show here that this wall is not limited on this height, but it's going upside. So to create a big break line symbol, we want to create a break line symbol here and here also. Okay, so to create it, we just have to click on this Express Tools. And here in this draw group we have an option here that is break line symbol. You can use the shortcut break line. Just activate this command and you have to select the first point and then the second point. After selecting, you just have to select the point on this line where you want to create the break line symbol. So I'll select the midpoint, and just after clicking over there you can see this break line is created. You can zoom and see it. You can select this break line and you can adjust according to your looks, according to your need. Okay, similarly we can do this with here. Select the break line symbol, select the first point, second point, select the place where you want to create this break line, and it will be created. So this way guys, you can use the break line symbol in AutoCAD. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.